Iyon, no?
Okay.
Pagkagwapo naman ang announcer natin ngayon, no?
Sa pinasa kay Judy, kay Chef, tinalbog-tagbog ang bola, pinasa kay Sumayang, wasak! 1 point!
Buraot si Sumayang? Buraot or loyal?
Loyal. Pinasa sa di ko kalala, Castres! Fade away, fake, dangerous! Nice pass! Foul! Who's foul rank? Number 4! First personal foul! After niyan, second. Okay, referee pinasa sa kalaban. Chef Mario. Nag-fake. Naniko. Pasok! Mario, Naniko, pasok! Ay, Gatang. LPG. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Dangerous. Tries for 2. Basket! Wasak na wasak. Sumayang. Nice. Traveling violation by Sumayang. LPG inbounding the ball. Pass to unknown player. Number 77. I don't give a shit. Castres drives hard to the basket. Dangerous. Mariano, pass to Chef. The pastry chef, head chef. Come on, Biale. Rebound by the Nepali guy. Pass to number 77. Tries for 2 basket. What's the score?
6-2. 6-2.
6-2 in favor of
6-3.
6-3. In favor of Buraot. LPG. Nagtatalbog-talbog ng bola. Ba't wala ng sound? Low. Mic test.
Lubat na lubat.
Mic test. Oh, sige. Pinasa kay 77. Dinibol. Ay, kamunti ka naman traveling. Pinasa kay Castres. Patay ang Bukiti.
Kita Bukiti. Bagong word yun na Bukiti.
Yan, chef, para nagpamasa. Pinasa kay Mariano, 2 buwan na walang trabaho. Nice, 4-2.
Tatlo na.
Limang buwan. Alam mo na ba? Datang. Drive charge. Basket. Mariano.
Green card na yan.
4-2. Mafi. Oy, nice block by Castres. Mafi pinipiling. Jadi Tena, malish.
Priyari sila. Bumawi dito.
Yan yung bola. Res. Pasok Castres. Nepali. Match me. Drives hard. Castres. Pass to Chicken.
Ganda naman nun.
Nice break. Tank. Basket. Sabog.
Dito ang bisita mo, Cheryl.
Ha?
Bisita mo, andito na.
Sila. Magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kabayan. Pastor. Score! Ayusin nyo ba?
Score! Ano ba naman? 8-3.
Naguguluhan ako!
Wait lang daw.
Ano ba ito naguguluhan?
May dumating eh.
Partners, magdamit ka partners. Kaya naman sa ano.
Kaya sa bisita. Pagkain mo.
8-3.
Score 8-3.
Lamang ang buraot.
Buraot. 8-3 ha. 5-point margin by the Buraot team.
Tira!
Mariano. Tries for 2.
Iyo, no?
8-5.
Bigay agad!
Tank. Noli Ayala.
2 points.
Sambulan. Ang lupit naman nun. Wala. Nice.
Iyon!
Binomba sa bumomba.
Sumayang, tumira, iniwan!
Sino may kasalanan?
10-5.
Say!
5-point margin.
Say!
7-7 foul.
Say!
Sino papalitan? Junli out.
Say!
Pasok pa. Score is 10-5 in favor of Buraot.
Say rin! Sabi mo, sumayang, tumira, iniwan!
Wag. Sumayang. Bumomba sa dos. Basket. 2 points. 10-7.
7. Tapuwens yun, 7.
Sorry, 10-6. Foul. Who's foul up? 7-7 again. Second personal.
10-7 na.
Tingin ka lang bosa yan.
10-7 na.
May nag-shoutout kay Sumayang. Buta, galingan mo daw.
Score is 10-7. Last touch, Sumayang sa ibo.
Wala. Hindi ko live. Hindi. Siwal lang mahina sa internet. Pangit pag ano.
10-8 point margin by Buraot team.
Uy, Buraot.
Datang. Rebound by Chef Mario. Pass to Sumayang. Nothing but air. Castres. Wait.
All.
Walang tawag. Sumayang, 1 point.
Score! Bagal na mag-score.
Score is 11-9.
11-8, 8-8.
Time out.
Yan, hindi official goal. Ikaw mata, walang ilaw.
11-8.
Okay, the score is 11-9 in favor of Buraot. 2-point margin.
Hindi dapat yung bola yung itim eh.
Wait. 11-9. 2-point margin by Buraot team. Ay, kayo nakapa-coach siya. Talo na yan, huwag yung pag-coach yan. Talo kami yan. Huwag yung pang-coach yan, huwag yung makinig yan. Tinalo kami dahil dyan. Huwag yung makinig yan. Okay, back to the ball game. 11-9, god damn it, paulit-ulit. Mariano. Rebound by. Last touch by.
Castres.
Who's last touch, Mark?
Mariano.
Mariano, last touch.
Kachino.
Okay, Chikni, inbound the ball. Pass to Loli.
Kaya nga eh. Sila dyan yata eh.
Kalbog ang bola. Loli. Dribbling the ball.
Oh, 5 seconds na!
Talbog ang bola. Screen by Chikni. Drives hard. Tank. Pull up. Mafi.
Papi Malo.
Chef Mario to Sumayang. Drives hard. Mafi basket. Tries again. Mafi again. Alatul Mafi. Mafi.
Shout out sa kumakain sa likod. Yan o.
Shout out po sa mga naninigan kayo yan. Come on. What's going on?
Rick.
Rebound by Castres. Pass to Castres for two. Bang.
Wala na. Out na.
Nilapitan ko. Boss, dito na kayo.
Tabi dyan. Harang-harang kayo eh.
Chef Mario fakes, drives, basket. Napakasimple lang. Secret.
10-11.
10-11, 1-point margin by Buraot team. Castres. Talbog bola, talbog. Talbog-talbog. 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 Pinasa kay Tank. Tank, pulls up. Mafi. Rebounded by Chef Mario. Drives in. Rebound by Sumayang. Mafi. Alatong Mafi. Ay!
Sumayang ka lang Mafi.
Number 4, Chiknik.
Paila na si Clib.
Substitution rep. Ano pangalan na? Hey brother, what's your name, brother? Imad. Imad in. Tank out. What's the score, rep?
11-10.
11-10. Mariano for 2. Nothing.
Nothing.
Substitution rep.
Makain kami.
Sub. Mariano in. Mariano out. In or out?
Oh.
Am I in or out? Am I in or out? Sumayang.
2 points.
Lucky shot by Sumayang. All 11.
2-11. Lamang sila Sumayang. 2-11.
Change favor.
All to.
Deadlock at 12. 0-point margin by both teams. Basket by Sumayang.
3-2.
13-12. Change flavor. Still by Sumayang. Drives hard to the basket. Pass to Mariano. Jumps in. Mafi. Mariano again. Mafi. Alatul Mafi.
Castres.
Change flavor. Foul.
Counted.
Basket rep.
14-14. Deadlock.
Score.
All 14.
All 14. Imad tries for 2. Nothing but the board. Wait. Let the referee decide. Sumayang tries for 2. Nothing.
Look, Mafi.
All 14. Castres setting up the play. Foul by, who's foul ref? Number 9, Mariano. Mariano.
All 14.
First personal foul. All 14, God damn it, all 14. All 14 puta. Castres. Pass to Imad. Imad looking the ball. To Chiknik. Nice one, for 2, basket. Timeout, committee. Timeout. Half-time break.
16-14.
15-14.
16.
On score, 15-14. Lamang yung buraot natin.
Ayaw kumain. Kain.
Ba't kumakain kayo dyan?
Defense! Pare, wala yung isa!
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, Mariano tries for 2.
Wala!
Mafi.
Wala na! Bili ng bago! Hindi ko na kukunin yan. Baka masaktan ako.
Okay, yung bola.
Pasuyin naman po ng ilaw, buhay.
Buhay? Hindi.
Hindi naman kayo nagbayad.
Okay. Number 4. Counting the ball, pass to Castres. First. Tries for 2. Rebounded by Sumayang to Mariano. Mafi. Rebounded by Iman. Pass to Castres. For 2. Mafi. Rebounded by Mariano. Pass to Chiknik. Mafi. Rebounded by Rice. Rice to Mariano. For 2. Mafi. Who's last na shot? Alatul Mafi. Okay, Brown Boy.
iPhone 17, fully paid yun.
Yun ang girl.
iPhone 17.
Talbog. Pinasa ulit kay Castres. Basket.
Saba ko.
Score 16-14.
Substitution!
Substitution rep.
Sab!
Oh, kain muna kayo!
Okay na. Sub rep. Okay, Batangin. Mr. Toro.
Palitan mo si Oliver, bro.
Hindi ko kilala yung mga yan.
16-14, 2-point margin by the Burao team. Mario. Super Mario! 16-15. Tak. Umusot, sabog.
17-15.
7-15. Dalawa lang po namang Burao team. Mariano.
Uli!
Ito sumayang. Nice pass to Mariano. Nice for two.
All 17, didlock.
All 17. Who's foul ref? Number 9, Mariano foul. Mariano second personal foul. First team foul. Castres. Interception by Samayang.
Hindi, huwag kayo maniniwala dyan. Wag!
May matanda, huwag ngay.
Yan. First ball. Wala ka dyan, kumakain kami.
Tang, setting the play. Pass to Iman. Iman tries. Mafi. Alatul Mafi. Yeah, Mario. Who's foul rep? Number 7. Tang. Luxin, first personal foul. All 17. Second team foul. All 17. Yano. Jumps, Mafi. Alatul. Junli, bumalik. Who's foul rep? Iman, ibang lahi. First personal foul, 30 pounds.
Puro talon.
Sub-rep.
Wala nang palitan.
Iman out.
Kumplito kami ah. Bakit ba? Kumplito kami.
Yeah.
Coach daw yung palitan, coach!
Yano. Score is all 17. Lamang na yung
Loyal.
Lukin, Ginale, wala. Pinasa kay Mariano. Tries for two. Mafi. Rebounded by Sumayang, 1 point. Score 18.
19. 17.
Sumayang, tsaka next 17, 2 points margin by Loyal. Sumayang.
Ayaw kumakain, sila pagod.
Pass to Junli drives to the basket. Hanks. Basket.
Tatlo na oh.
2017. Chef Mario. Pass to Sumaya. Nice pass. Time out.
21-17.
Wala yung...
Time out. Burao team. 170 na 5 points margin by the Burao team Loyal. Meron pa Burao.
Panalo na yun, panalo na!
17. 4 points margin. 21-17. Mga kanya apat. Apat. Back to the ball game. Mga basura niyo, huwag yan, uy. Doon sa basura sa green.
Parang ano to, tayo. Mahal lang niya. Hindi alam yung laro ah.
21-17.
Hindi to flip top ha.
Castres. Nice for two. Rebounded by Chef Mario. To Juni. Drives hard to the basket. Rebounded by him again. Drives again. Basket. 22-17. 5-point margin.
Screen.
Setting the play.
Parang player ko, PWD na.
Tries. Mario. Dribble, Mario. Fake. Basket.
Hindi nakita.
23-17. 23-17 ha. 6-point margin. Castres for two. Rebound by...
Score!
17-23.
Mariano. Rebound di Balita.
Oy!
Yan, diretso.
Nice. Rebound by Mario. Setting the play. Drives in. Basket. Score 24-17. Toxin for two. Rebound Toxin. Who's foul rep?
Oh, nagmura oh.
Number 23, Mario.
Technical.
First personal foul, second team foul. Already jumper.
Score!
Free throw para kay
Lang ko yung
Lang ko sabihin.
Score is 24.
17.
Good goal. 24-17, Tuxin drives. Happy. Founded by Mariano. Pass to Chef Mario. To Sumayang. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Sap.
Number 7, foul.
Sap. Batang.
And personal foul. Team foul.
Rap. Kayo kumain na.
Busog na.
Score is 24.
Wala na tubig yung player.
24-17 in favor of Loya.
Magligpit ka na.
7-point margin. Sumayang free throw. Rebound by Sumayang. Drive in. Foul. Who's foul?
Wala free throw.
Baluta. Foul. Baluta.
Baba lang.
Okay, 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Burao team. Wala. Supply ang free throw. Rebound. Ano yun? Ano nangyari? Ngayon ball rep. Same ball down.
Tubig, wala na.
Wala na?
Tubig ka na para malakas ka.
Castres. Talbog bola. Mira.
Naman kuya.
Oy, sige na. Rebound ni Chef Mario. Hesitation move. Mapi.
Kuha.
Bounded by Torok. Torok 2. Rens.
Yun, sabasay. Pas-tres, pas-tres.
Iman.
Traveling.
Traveling violation.
Bakit itong nakatira?
Wala yung bola ako.
I love you. Bola?
Daan mo yan. Perfect boy.
Baka buntis ka.
Offensive.
Hoy, traveling.
Nice fake. Bounded by Chef Mario. Basket.
25-18.
18.
Limanda lang.
25-18. Ito yun eh.
Shot.
Screen!
Stop. Pushing foul.
Yes.
Number 4, Mariano. Second personal foul. Substitution. Iman out.
Marami ako pamalit dyan. Lalo PWD na.
Then. Talbog bola. Fakes. Mapi. Who's foul?
Time out. Uwi.
Number 4.
27.
Renz. Ingat, pasok ka. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Ram!
Penalty, ref.
Love you!
Yun.
Wala ka, sino nagutok dyan? Dito, puto mo na.
Okay, Mariano.
Awa pa, oh.
26.
Dito, yan.
6-18. Castles. Basket. Net.
Dos.
Castles 1 point. Mario drives in. Foul. Number 4. Renz. Penalty.
1-1 lang.
1 point na yung way.
19-26.
19-26. 7 points margin by the loyal team.
Tatlo lang lamang nila, ha?
26-19 na, 26-19. Chef Mario. Happy. Rebounded by Castles.
Bola! Foul.
Last touch by Castles. Loyal ball.
Papatang, kaya pa?
Mariano.
Batuhin mo sila.
Last touch by loyal team. Score. 26-19.
Oh, screen.
Castles.
Ayan, dito.
Kaya niya yan!
Pass to Maxine. Steal by Sumayang. Pass to Jundi. Happy. Bounded by Mariano. Basket.
27-19.
27-19. Last 3 points. Steal by Mariano. Chef Mario.
Tulmati!
Mario. Nagawan. Tank. 3-2.
Wala yan. May trouble.
Basket.
Warning!
Warning 19. Takes. Goes up. Rebounded by Sumayang. Pass to Chef Mario.
Uy.
Hey.
Ay, wala yan.
Mariano. Mafi. Sumayang. Mafi. Alatul Mafi. Headshot. Renz tries for 2. Basket. Warning 21. Chef Mario. Setting up the play. Spins. Goes up. Basket. Last 21. Who's foul ref?
Graduate.
Number 23. Chef Mario.
Graduate.
Second person. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty.
Kunin mo bola.
Screen!
Castles drives in. Ace up. Happy.
Kick.
Loyal ball. Last 21. Mario, yan na. Siya Mario. Drive hard. Happy. Last touch by Sumayang. For out ball.
Bakit? May bantay, di mahirapan talaga. Dos.
Renz.
Bakit na mapaliwanag?
Uy!
Binomba.
Uy, foul. Oh, graduate.
Jump ball. Jump ball. Same ball. Same ball. Castres for 2. Mafi. Renz. Pulls up. Mafi. Renz again. Tank. Drives hard. Basket. Ariano. Pinali balik. Traveling violation.
Dalawa nila ang lamang nila. 2 points. Dalawa na
Last 22. 29-22. 6 points margin. Castres for 2. Mafi.
Pwesto!
Ariano. Yun, Milo best. Rebounded by
Game!
Game Ball. Basket by Sumayang.
Nakahingal!
Nice game.
Shoutout sa ating mga nagwawapuhang committee.
Best player of the game, Mr. Sumayang. Alatul Mafi. Best player. Sumayang, best player.